So now let's begin with the introductions. What is ISO 9000? ISO 9000 is an international quality standard used by organizations to ensure that their products and services are consistent and meet customer requirements. It is focused on having proper system, procedure, and documentations. Companies that follow ISO 9000 must be audited and certified by an external body. This means that the organizations must prove that their company follow what it has written in the quality manual and work procedures. In simple terms, ISO 9000 help company make sure that their work done in a controlled and organized way. Next, I will explain about Total Quality Management, TQM. TQM is a management approach that focuses on continuous improvement in every part of the organizations. It involves everyone, from the top management to frontline employees. The main goal of TQM is to satisfy customer by improving quality all the time. Instead of just following rules, TQM encourages workers to think, suggest ideas, and find better way to do their job. It is more about building a quality culture in the organizations. Now, move on to the main focus of ISO 9000 and Total Quality Management. The main difference between ISO 9000 and TQM is their focus. ISO 9000 focus on system, procedure, and documentations. It is ensured that work is done according to set standard. On the other hand, TQM focus on people, teamwork, and continuous improvement. ISO 9000 is about following rules, while TQM is about always trying to do things better. Both aim to improve quality, but they use different approach. How ISO 9000 improve quality? ISO 9000 improve quality by making sure all work processes are clearly defined and properly followed. When employers follow standard procedure, mistakes can be reduced and product become more consistent. Regular audits are also identify problem early. This makes the organizations more reliable and help build customer confidence because customers know the company follow international quality standard. While for the TQM improvement quality, TQM improve quality by encouraging everyone in the organizations to take responsibility for the quality. Employees are encouraged to give ideas, solve problems, and improve their work. The focus is on preventing mistakes instead of fixing them later. By continuously improving process and listening to customer, Total Quality Management help organizations prove better product and service over time.
Move to the strength of ISO 9000. So, ISO 9000 has several important strengths. First, it provides a clear structure for organization, and because all of the processes are properly documented and standardized, so that makes it easier for employees to understand their roles and responsibilities. Second, ISO 9000 makes easier to control quality since procedures are clearly defined and monitored. That helps to reduce mistake and inconsistency in work. So the third ISO 9000 is to recognize worldwide, which means organizations with ISO certifications are trusted internationally. This is especially important for companies involved in the global business. So lastly is ISO 9000 increase customer trust because customer feels confident that the organizations follow international quality standards. So next move to the next strengthen is Total Quality Management or TQM, focus on strongly on how people and culture. Of its main strength is that it builds a strong quality culture where quality becomes everyone's responsibility, not just a management's. So TQM also improves employees' motivation because workers are encouraged to participate in the decision making and share ideas for improvements. So in addition, that TQM increases customer satisfaction by focusing on a meeting and exceeding customers' expectations. So finally, TQM supports continuous improvement. That means organizations are always looking for a better ways to improve process, services, and performance over time. So move to the next. Despite its strength in ISO 9000, also has weaknesses. That one major weaknesses is too much paperwork, as employees must follow this strict documentations, requirements. And also another weakness is that ISO 9000 sometimes focus is more on compliance than improvement, meaning organizations may follow the procedures just to pass audits rather than truly improve the quality. And also TQM has some challenges that takes time to change organizations culture, especially if employees are not used to continuous improvement practice. So TQM is also harder to measure because improvements in culture and altitudes cannot be easily quantified. So lastly, TQM needs strong leadership, as without committed leaders, the implementation of TQM may fail. So which approach is better, ISO 9000 or TQM? ISO 9000 is more suitable for formal control and certifications, especially for organizations that need to standardize procedure and external recognitions. On the other hand, TQM is better for a long-term quality improvement because it focuses on people, culture, and continuous development. Therefore, the best solution is to use both together. ISO 9000 provides necessary structure, while TQM builds a strong qualification culture with the organization. As for the conclusion, ISO 9000 ensure standardization on consistency in organization process, while TQM ensure continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. When this both combined, these two approaches complement each other and help organizations to achieve a better overall quality performance. Therefore, the organization should integrate both ISO 9000 and TQM to achieve a sustainable success. That's all.